Ola electric scooter booking starts at 499 rupees yesterday 15th July 2021. The first ever Ola electric e-scooter can be reserved on the Ola electric website https://www.olaelectric.com with an initial amount of 499 rupees only. The booking amount 499 rupees is fully refundable. In just 4 months, a location in Hosur has been transformed from acres of empty rock land to the world's largest two-wheeler factory. Ola electric scooter comes with several industry-leading innovations including the motor, the battery, the vehicle computer, and several other advanced features. The scooter is expected to get a home charger that will require no installation. This means that the customers would be able to charge their e-scooter at home by plugging into a regular wall socket. Ola electric scooter claims to accelerate 0 to 60 km within few seconds and claims to have the largest boot capacity within the segment. The detailed specifications of the much-awaited e-scooter will be announced upon launch. The company has invested 2,400 rupees crore for the world's largest manufacturing facility for electric two-wheelers, spread across 500 acres in Tamil Nadu. The e-scooter is expected to hit the roads by the end of July this year. The launch of the electric scooter is in line with Ola's global vision of moving mobility into a more sustainable, accessible and connected future. The Ola electric scooter is likely to have a range of 100 to 150 km and get features like removable lithium-ion battery, digital instrument console, cloud connectivity, alloy wheels, telescopic suspension up front and much more. India's EV revolution begins. India has the potential to become the world leader in EVs. In a video released earlier, the scooter is shown to have large underseat storage, good acceleration and segment-leading range as well. Ola Electric's plant in Tamil Nadu, which meets Industry 4.0 standards, will have an installed capacity of 10 million electric scooters per annum. The capacity will stand at 2 million units per year in phase 1. The plant will have 10 general assembly lines and will be able to roll out a scooter every 2 seconds, and 25,000 batteries per day. The Made in India scooters will be exported to Europe, UK, Latin America, Asia Pacific, Australia and New Zealand, apart from being sold in India. Ola Electric has raised $100 million in long-term debt for a period of 10 years from the Bank of Baroda to close the first phase of development of its future factory that will manufacture electric two-wheelers. The company had previously announced in December last year that it will be investing Rs. 2,400 crore for setting up phase 1 of the factory. The facility will be able to generate employment for over 2,000 people initially, going up to 10,000 once fully operational. About 10 million man-hours have been planned to construct the facility.